Okay, let's make some more resin letters. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So this time we're going with letter E. Obviously this mold is definitely going to need to be washed. And these flowers, these are left over from other projects that I have. I didn't want to lose them, so I was like, why not just use it? I think it would be definitely a great idea. Flowers from Amazon, mold from, I found it on Instagram, but I'll leave the link in the description. So if you guys want to buy it, then you can just click on the link. But basically this is the flowers. This is the theme that we're going to go with. Hopefully these don't do a lot of bubbles. This one, there's not going to be any lights. It's just going to be flowers because I already made one with lights. So you get the idea. You're going to see when I bring everything together. But let's start with looking. Okay, let's get straight into the video. First thing first, we're going to lay down a thin layer of some resin. Then I can start adding on in there some of the flowers. Then some glitter, then a lot of stuff. But first thing first, just the flowers. And I'm trying to avoid as much bubbles as possible. This one could not fit at the side. So I just break it apart and then just put the pieces back in there because I wasn't trying to waste any of the flowers. Yep. And then I would add on in there some yellow flowers, some white flowers, and also some pink flowers. And a little bit more of the green flowers, I think. Or maybe not. But yeah. Then after that, I add on there another thin layer of some resin so that everything can stick together. Then I left it overnight, 24 hours for it to be fully cured. And then I add on in there the final layer of resin. I did this way because I personally don't like when the flowers float all the way up to the top. So I usually do 2 layers. So this is the final step. I have my resin already mixed up. I add on in there some pink glitter. Then I'm going to add on in there some white pigment. And I'm just going to mix everything up together. Look at how beautiful it is. Ooh, that's my favorite part. Whenever the pigments are finished, you just... Oh, so cute. But I'm mixing it up. And then after I mix it the way I want it, make sure that the pigment is right and correct, same thing. I'm just going to be pouring on there the final layer of resin. And this is how it looks. When you pour down the final layer of resin, just give the bubble a few minutes for it to rise to the top. And then you can either go over it with your lighter or however you like to get rid of your bubbles. But as soon as I pour down the resin, I use my lighter. Don't know why when there wasn't really any bubbles. But I don't know. I'm just that weird. Okay, let's see how this turned out. There's kids outside right now, so that's why you guys are going to be hearing. Oopsie. So this is the back. Side of it. Dun 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 dun. So cute, nice and simple. I like it. Exactly what I wanted. Most of the glitter does float all the way down to the bottom, but that's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.